I'm Ali Bongo Ondimba, President of Gabon, and I'm to send a message to all the friends that we have all over the world to tell them to make noise, for the people here have arrested me and my family. My son is somewhere, my wife is in another place, and I'm at the residence. Right now, I'm in the residence and nothing is happening. I don't know what's going on. So I'm calling you to make noise, really. I'm thanking you. Thank you.
jarna sakku bernewul ci magal gi jarna sakku bernewul ci magal gi ñu lapp la yalla magal gi berne gi ci wara berne magal gi dañu wara berne te berne yi ñor go amne ku bernewul ñu lapp la